According to the press, the Prosecutor General Office has filed a lawsuit against David Sedrakyan, the son of former National Assembly Deputy Mher Sedrakyan. Free Azerbaijan citizen and 2,711 Turkish citizens visited Armenia in 2022. The Statistical Committee reported 451,815 tourists visited Armenia in the first quarters of this year, which is 202,489 more than in the same period last year. Turkey will take additional measures if the Nemesis monument located in Yerevan is not dismantled. This was stated by Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut Cavusoglu. Today, the number of laboratory-confirmed cases of measles in Armenia has reached 142. This is reported by the Minister of Health of the Republic of Armenia.